Hi, welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. And today on Cheap Watch Choices, I've got a $20 watch in here I picked up on Amazon that actually comes in a surprisingly nice box for a $20 watch. What I thought was interesting about this, it's made by Ohm. They made some other funky pieces that we've had featured in our cheap watch choices, but I thought this was interesting because it's actually kind of useful. You see, because it's got it's a quartz watch, so at least it's reasonably reliable, and it has this very interesting dual time display. So, if it were made out of better materials from a European company, people would probably say much nicer things about it. But as it is, you've got a really interesting rotary dial arrangement up here for one time zone and a standard presentation for the other. So arguably, this would be a interesting and inexpensive travel watch. No one's going to follow you out of the bar to rip this one off of your wrist. It's got standard stainless steel back. Obviously not of the highest materials, but it doesn't look bad at all. And like I said, this could be a good safety travel watch. You can keep track of 2 time zones. And like I said, you're not going to worry too much about someone trying to steal it from you. Although it does not look bad. It's a good looking piece, especially when you consider that it's only $20. Hey, let's toss it on the wrist just for the heck of it and see what it looks like. Wearing wristwatch check, wearing my Rolex Air King, the new model. I really do like it. They finally got the design right, I believe. And speak of the devil, I would rather fly right now through London Heathrow wearing this than this, that's for sure. So let's toss it on the wrist. It is huge. I'll take the calipers out before we, actually once I put it on the wrist, we'll put the calipers on it real quick. This is a big piece, and it is, let's find a good measure place. It's 48. I got 48, maybe even 49 millimeters. Yeah, 48 and change. This is a huge piece. I've got an 8.5 inch wrist, and it just about sticks out on both sides there. Definitely a kind of watch that you'd wear. Well, like I said, if you needed a cheap travel watch that you'd wanted peace of mind, and with the quartz, it's going to be accurate, there you go. Dual time zone, reasonably good looking travel watch, although it is huge. Thanks for watching. Take care.